Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In previous video, we have solved numericals from practice set 1.4. In this video, we will solve some numericals from practice set 1.5. Okay, so let's start with first problem. I will read out statement. Statement is two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. So in this problem we have to find out two numbers. One number is smaller and second number is greater. So let's assume two variables for these two numbers. So let's assume x is smaller number x is smaller number and assume y is greater number. So this is the first step, to assume two variables, because we have to solve problems of linear equations in two variables. Therefore we require two variables. आपल्याला दोन variables लागतील. Okay, and we have to find out values of these two variables. For that purpose we require two conditions. Okay. त्या कंडिशन्स कुठं असतील प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंटमध्ये. सो व्हॉट इज फर्स्ट कंडिशन? फर्स्ट कंडिशन इज टू नंबर्स डिफर बाय 3. ओके, व्हॉट इज फर्स्ट कंडिशन? टू numbers are differ by 3. What is the meaning of this statement? Meaning is that the difference between greater number and smaller number is 2. So we have greater number is y, smaller number is x, and difference is 3. Okay, so y minus x is equal to 3. So this is our first equation, or we can write, if we take, or we can write in this fashion, minus x plus y is equal to 3. Call this equation as 1. So we get our first linear equation by using first condition. Then we have to find out second equation by using second condition. What is the second condition? Sum of twice the smaller number and thrice of greater number. Sum of twice of smaller number, thrice of greater number is किती दिलेली आहे ती? sum is 19. सो ह्या कंडिशनवरून आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करायचं. सो व्हॉट इज ऑपरेशन हिअर? सम. कुणाची सम घ्यायची आहे? ट्वाइस द स्मॉलर नंबर, म्हणजे स्मॉलर नंबरची दुप्पट. व्हॉट इज स्मॉलर नंबर? एक्स. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर प्लस थ्राइस ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर. ठीक आहे, थ्राइस ऑफ greater number. So here thrice of greater number is y, and this sum किती आहे? 19. So this is our second equation. Okay. In this way we got two equations, and these two are now simultaneous equations, and we can solve these simultaneous equations. We have total three methods to solve these equations in that we have seen in this chapter. So solve by any one method. So I use here substitution or elimination method. Here I will use. So coefficients क्या है? Here coefficient is 2. Here coefficient is -1. So we have to multiply here by 2. So multiply equation 1 by 2. We get minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now for x, coefficients are same but signs are different, so we have to add equation 2 and 3. So this part we have already discussed in our earlier videos. Minus 2x plus 2y 6. So this and this get cancelled. 5y is equal to 25. Therefore y becomes 5. So put y is equal to 5 in equation, any one equation. I will put this in equation 2. Sorry, I will put this value in equation 1. What will you get? Minus x plus 5 is equal to 3. Therefore minus x is equal to minus 2. Therefore x is 2. So we get values of y and values of x. Therefore our smaller number, or smaller number, this is denoted by variable x, it's 2, and greater number is equal to y is equal to 5. So in this way we have solved problem number 1 from practice set 1.5. So this is our problem number 2 from practice set 1.5. So the data is given in picture form. So here this is picture of rectangle and some values are given. Okay, and here they have asked find values of x and y, and then find my area and perimeter. It means we have to find out area and perimeter of this rectangle. So I will call this rectangle as rectangle ABCD. ABCD for my simplification purpose only. Now, as we have discussed, to solve linear equations in two variables or simultaneous equations, we require two conditions. Okay, so that conditions we have to find out from this data given. Okay, what is the data given? Quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. This is given to us. Quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle, and this data is given to us. Now we have to use this data to solve numericals. We know that if ABCD is rectangle, then opposite sides are same. Therefore opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Therefore length AB is equal to DC and length AD is equal to BC. Okay. Now from this condition, what we will get? What is length of AB given? 2x plus y plus 8. This is equal to DC. DC is 4x minus y. Therefore I will adjust terms here. 2x plus y, this 4x will become minus 4x here, minus y becomes plus y, and this 8 will become minus 8. Therefore finally 2x minus 4x, it is minus 2x, plus y plus 2y is equal to minus 8. Therefore minus x plus y is equal to minus 4. तुम्ही काय केलं? 2 ने डिवाइड केलं, and if we change sign, then x minus y is equal to 4. I will call this as equation 1. आपण लास्ट स्टेपला काय केलं? -1 न मल्टिप्लाय केलेलं आहे. Now here when we take AD is equal to BC, AD is 2y, and what is BC? X plus 4. Therefore 2y minus x is equal to 4. That is, if we again adjust the term, in minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. I will call such equation number 2. Now we get two equations. This is simultaneous equations in two variable, so we can solve this easily. If we check coefficient of x, here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 1, and signs are opposite, so add equation 1 and 2. So x minus y is equal to 4, then plus minus x plus 2y is equal to again 4. If we add x minus x get cancel, minus y plus 2y, that is y is equal to 8. So y is coming to be 8. Now put y is equal to 8 in equation 2 or 1. I will put in 1, then we will get x minus 8 is equal to 4. This x is equal to 12. So we will get this answer. The bracket मध्ये जे विचारलं होतं त्याचं आन्सर मिळेल. So x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. Then next, what is next? We have to find out area and perimeter of this rectangle. So first we will find out perimeter. Perimeter is equal to only sum of lengths of all sides. Okay, and for rectangle, what will be the formula? 2 times AB plus AD, because opposite sides are equal. So put here 2 times. What is length of AB? Then 2x plus y plus 8, and what is AD? AD is 2y simply. Now put the values here. 2, x is 12, so 2 into 12 plus y is 8 plus 8, so this is then plus 2 into 8. So what is the final? 2 into 12 24, 8 into 8, 8 plus 8 16 plus 16, So here 24 plus 16 is 40, 56, and finally it becomes 112. Just check calculations. Yes, 112. This is the perimeter, and values are given in mid. No, so there is no unit. So write units. Then what is the area? Area is simply product of, so area of rectangle. What is the formula? Length or base into height. Base into height. If you take 4x minus y as a base, 4x minus y, height is 2y. Okay, so what will happen here? 4 into 12, so 48, minus y is plus 8 into 2 into y, that is 2 into 8, 16. So 40 into 16, so 16 into 4. What will be the answer? Yes, 640 in square units. This is the area for this problem. So this is our second problem. So in this way we have discussed first problem and second problem from practice set 1.5. If you have any doubt in these two problems, you can contact to us on our number provided. The problem number 3, the type of problem we have already discussed in our 9th standard. So that part, that is problem number 3, is homework for you. If you have any doubt, you can contact to us on our number provided. The remaining problems from this practice set we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.